This video is how to manage conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Sometimes when you have conditional formatting, you need to change them for whatever reason, and you need to know how to edit the conditional formatting. So in this case, let's say I want to change my color coding on the percents. So I'm going to highlight the column. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting, and I can see them over here. Let's say I need to change my color. I can do that here. I could change a value. Let's say I really want to skip some of these and say anything below 0.3, 30% is going to get a red. You can edit any of them. You just have to click on them and change them and then click done afterwards. And that will change it for you. And that's how you edit conditional formatting or manage conditional formatting on Google Sheets.